want to talk about the best tool for off-roading, and it's this baby right here. This is not an ad. I'm going to show you how amazing this car air inflator can be a game changer for your off-roading experience. I got this on Amazon. It's the X9 Pro, and let's unpack it so I can show you how cool this thing is. Now, I have 37-inch tires on my Ford Bronco Raptor, so I need a really good air inflator. One has USB charging, so you can literally charge it in your car, and then the screen, which you can see the PSI on right as you're pumping up your tires. For people who don't know, you're gonna say, why do you need this for off-roading? Because when you're off-roading, you usually want to deflate your tires to around 16, 17 PSI, but then at the end, you need to reinflate them for the regular road. So instead of wasting time trying to find a gas station or spending money or whatever, you just have this bad boy and boom, you're on your way after a fun day of off-roading. Just gonna pop off this bad boy here. So it's currently telling me I'm at 34 PSI. So all we're gonna do is hit the start button. We're gonna put up how much PSI we want to go up, and then boom, watch it as it increases.